Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to extend our previous Laravel image upload example. As you can see within my background, you can previously we developed this form to upload image. You can choose a file like this and you can select any image and you can upload. Now after completing this today's example, today's tutorial, you can see here we will add another routing called list. It will list down all the images we have within our database table. We extend this application using database. That means we previously we didn't add any database part. Now we going to add the database table and we going to save this image file name information to database. And after that we will list down those image information within the list page. And once user click on the particular image, you can view that image like this. Passing image ID, you can view the image. Changing the image ID, you can change the image. Likewise, within this example, you can learn how to develop this thing. Yeah, let's go to the example. Let's do the coding. Okay, this is the our previous example. To this example, I will add database. First, I will create the database. Let's go to the browser and let's go to the localhost. Okay, let's go to dashboard and let's say PHP myadmin. Okay, let's create the database, new database called Laravel file upload. Okay, here I will create here I will create the table name as assets. Let's say assets. Okay. We have ID within the assets table. It is actually our primary key and auto increment. As you can see, it is primary key and auto increment, and we need a name. This is the image name. We use Vacha and 256. And yeah, these are the information I need because I don't need much information. Here for this example, I only use one image upload and then I only need this information. Okay, I will save this. I'll click the save button. Okay, now it's saved and let's go to our application. Okay, here I have created this database manually. If you want, you can use migration scripts. I think I'm not going to cover those things within this video. Okay, let's uh, let's do the our image upload. Within the image upload, we can generate our model. Let's generate that. And another shell. Okay, let's create a model. Make model call. Let's say assets model. Okay, our assets model is created. Let's go to let's check the our assets model. Within here you can see the models assets model. Here we can say protected dollar table equal to our table name is assets and yeah and say protected dollar primary or primary key is ID. Okay. Yeah, now we have a model. Let's use this within the our control. Here with this controller, once user click this button, it's coming it's come to here, and we can add here we can add a part as well. Let's say try catch exception exception sorry exception dollar $ex. If exception happens, let's uh, return. Let's set our message as okay. Let's say because according to our current code hierarchy, we need to add a message. Okay, let's print our error in here. Let's say error dot $ex get message. Okay, now it will print the error message, and okay, here let's copy these things to our inside of our try catch block. Let's copy these things. Okay, now okay, now we have set our error handling part as well. Let's add our database. That means we need to save this information into database. Let's do those implementation within here. Yeah, I will create as sorry assets equal to new. Let's use our module asset model, and let's say assets name. This is the only field we need to insert. Let's say name file name. Okay, now we have our uh, image name within our database. Let's save this. Save. Okay. Now we have this information within our database assets name. Let's view this image within the different page. Let's create another view. View call. Let's add view call image dot blade dot php. Okay, inside of this view, let's create our image. That means show our image. I think my okay. Here I have added HTML. Let's create our controller to let's create our action to public function called view image action. Mm, we need ID, and let's say let's get this information from the database. Let's say dollar asset equal to asset assets model. Where we need to get ID. Let's say ID equal to our dollar ID. Okay, now let's get this get. Okay, now we have our assets. Let's return the assets. Let's set the img name equal to a dollar asset. Okay, let's return our view. Let's say return view. Our view is I think let's check the view name. Our view is image. Okay, let's return img name. Okay, to $img name. Okay, let's add the our route. Let's add the route as well. Let's go to the our route web route here within the here. Let's add the route. First, I will paste this thing. Okay, let's copy this thing and let's add the action control action. It is let's say view img. Okay, we need to pass our ID. Let's add the another page to list down the information. Let's say let's add the list. Okay, image list, and within here, let's add img list action. Let's say img list. Okay, let's add this action to our controller first. Let's go to controller and let's add public function called list action. Let's list down this information. Let's say dollar assets equal to assets model uh, all. Okay, and here we return. Sorry, we return view call. Let's create view img list with the img list. Okay, and let's say dollar assets. Okay, now let's create our view. This one img list. Let's go to here and let's add the view call img list dot blade dot php, and let's add HTML to here, and I will create a list within the here. Let's say at for each um, our okay, img list as $img. We need to, let's say first we start from here, unorder list, and let's close this unorder list after the for each, and let's add the list item. Let's say here we can add our $img, let's say name. Okay, and we need to have a anchor tag. Let's say okay, let's add the id to here, $img id. Okay, this is the our okay, let's close this. Okay, let's close the anchor tag within from here, and here we need to have this. Okay, now we have our list, image list, and also we have our image view page. First, I think we need to add. Okay, we have already added our. Okay, let's check with this browser. Let's go to the browser and let's refresh this first. Okay, it's refreshed. Let's try to open this listing. It's saying error, unknown database, Laravel. Okay, here we need to set up the database configuration. Our database is Laravel file upload. Let's go to code and let's env file. Within the env file, we can change our database information. Here, I will add the database. Let's refresh this again. Okay, now this list is empty. Let's try to upload something. Let's upload this information. Upload image. Okay, error column not found. Non column update. Okay, here because we generate this, we create this table manually. Then the Laravel automatically try to save this create date and update date. Okay, I will um, skip this create date and uh, update date using the model temp. Let's go to our model. Within the model, let's say okay, assets model. Here we can say like this. Let's say public dollar time time stamps equal to false. Now we can run this again. Continue. Okay, now it's saying it's uploaded. Let's go to our list page. Okay, within the list you can see the our image. Let's go to our view image page. Okay, here we can it will go to the view page. Let's check with the view. I think we not within the image page we not define anything. Let's add our code. Let's add the img tag. Let's say src equal to our images are saved within the public folder and yeah. Okay, here public folder, inside of the public folder, we have uploads and images. Let's say uh, uploads, images, and we need to add our dollar. Let's go to our controller, image list, view image. Here we return with this image name. Let's go to image. Let's add the image name, and that's it. I will add fix width as 100 uh, let's say not fix it. Let's set the style, let's say max width. Let's set the max width as a 600. Okay, now let's check this within the our code, our browser. Yeah, as you can see, it will show the image. Likewise, we can upload image. Now we can upload image using this form. Let's add different image. Let's go to my download folder and let's add this image. Okay, upload. And if you go to list, okay, you can see the our new uploaded image, newly uploaded image. And let's go to the this page. Okay, here you can see the image. According to the image ID, it will load the image. If we change this to 1, then it will load the previous image. Likewise, we can upload image using like this. We can save this information to database, and later we can select image using the according to the ID. We can change the uh, image. We can select the image. Okay, I will upload another image. Let's upload this, and let's go to slash list. We have three images. Let's go to a newly uploaded one. As you can see, we can change image using changing the ID. Within this example, I want to show you these things. That mean how to upload. Uh, Previously, we learned how to upload image, and with this example, we learn how to save this information to database and how to show the image within the next page, within the different page. Here you can see we have created our assets model, assets table, and we save this file name to our database. And within the list down page, we list down all the images within the assets folder. And here you can see according to the image ID, we select the image and we show that image within the front end. These are the things you learn within this video, this example. If you think this video is helpful, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see future videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. And thank you very much for watching my videos. Let's meet with the next video. Thank you very much.